अहानबमक्तदा ngasi पाउदंगी वीडियो येंबिरु पुनुमपु तरामनो ओक्चरी मालेम पुमदा आइवरमेक्टिन खुदक्तगी सिनबना पेंडेमिक लोइसलेनबा ngamgani habe scientist singi report ama taminasi आइवरमेक्टिन चांगनाना सिनबा मतमदा तमथिरबा रेस्पिरेटरी डिजीज ama oiriba COVID-19 da contract tobagi risk ningthina hantanma ngam maramna मालेम पुमदा हिदाक सिनबना COVID-19 pandemic लोइसलेनबा ngamgani haina peer review research amana claim tawkhre common antiparasitic ivermectin asi मालेम के डॉक्टर सिंह amadi campaigner sing COVID-19 cure taunabagi miracle ama oina ngangnari hairi United States government gi senior scientist ahum yauna medical experts sing sathakiba peer review tawkiba research adu American Journal of Therapeutics ta publish tawrkhibani mase vitro habadi laboratory da sungba kusem gi sadum animal amadi real world clinical study sing dagi phangba data sing gi khwadi hena pak sauna sathakiba research ni hairi United States ki frontline COVID-19 critical care alliance FLCCC na lusingduna medical and scientific experts singi group amana ivermectin distribution efforts singi matang da sathakiba mamang da publish tawkraba peer review studies sing manuscripts sing expert meta analysis sing amadi epidemiological analysis sing bu review tawki hairiba khudingmak aduda ivermectin hairiba hidak asi COVID-19 gi damak yamna kanaba prophylaxis amasung treatment ni haiba utkhi hairi United States ki frontline COVID-19 critical care alliance ki Chief Medical Officer amasung President oiriba Pierre Kerin haikibada medical authorities singna pangthokpa ngamkhidraba thabak adu aikhoina pangthoklei aikhoina ivermectin ni matangda aphangba data singi khwaidagi hena pak sarba review pangthoklei ivermectin na pandemic asebu luisinba ngamgani haiba warosin puruktringai mamangda data review si qualified taunabagi damak aikhoina gold standard apply tawki haina su mahakna makha tana phongdoki pausina makha taraduna haiki manuscript ki focus adu kumjali singna ka kunmathoi gi January 15 da phangba control trial kuntarit tani madugi manungda 15 di randomized control trial RCD singni UK Italy Spain amasung Japan singbagi expert panel singna publish tokiba ivermectin RCTC singi masing yamlaba meta analysis sing sab manakhiba galoina makoina ivermectin sinaduna layeng COVID-19 gi patient singi marakta sibagi sang phagalakpagi matam amadi viral clearance ki matamda yamna pak sauna amadi masak thokna hantarakpa theknaki FLCCC ki funding member oibaga loina Eastern Virginia Medical School da pulmonary and critical care medicine ki chief Paul E Marikna haikibada aikhoigi khwaidagi anoba research asina amuka hanna utle madudi evidence punamak asi examine tawba matamda ivermectin asi COVID-19 ki treatment amasung prophylaxis ama oina yamna effective oi habisida singnaningai amata leitre malengi mafam kayada leireba region singna hojikti ivermectin asi COVID-19 ki damak yamna matik mayai leba prophylaxis amasung treatment amani haina masak khangle South Africa Zimbabwe Slovakia Czech Republic Mexico madi India da hidak si nanamgi damak medical professional singda approve tawri khwaidagi nawribi study asida uba phangliba result asina utle madudi ivermectin distribution company singna miyam marakta pak sana nahanba amadi sienbagi sang yam thuna hantharli aikhoina pandemic asi amuktang da mafam punamaki oina loisinba ngamdamagi damak malem pumada lerba regional public health authority sing amadi medical professional singna makhogi standard of care da ivermectin bu thinthaba tawdana yawhannaba demand tawnawi damak aikhoina puning singsili haina marikna makha tana phongdoki aroibda mayam punam pumukhan tagatchari